how to create account in CoinDCX. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to download and install it from your Google Play Store or your App Store. After that, simply open CoinDCX, and over here you have two options to go with. So we could create account for free or click on login. If you already have an account, you could easily click on login. But for us, we're going to be creating our account. Simply click on create account for free. Simply enter your full name, email ID, and then your password. Then click on continue to easily create an account. You could also go with the option create account with Google if you prefer to have your account be binded to your Google email. After this step, you're then going to be prompted to enter your phone number, and then you will be able to receive a verification code. So after that, you could easily create your CoinDCX account. That's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.